we are testing widescreen mode, which is gonna most likely look worse than 4:3. But I can also look up to the camera, looking up to the sky. Now this is interesting. We have manual exposure. Half of my face is getting hit hard by the light, but because it's in manual, it's not letting the camera completely blow that side out, and half of my face is hidden in shadow. So that's one advantage of shooting in manual mode and not letting the camera make decisions for you. Hi, Rosie.
She's a little camera shy, though.
She is?
Yeah.
Are you camera shy, Rosie? Hi. How are you doing? Did you have to go against the light?